It was Saturday morning. Mia woke up and listened for sounds. Usually on Saturday, she heard Dad moving around, opening drawers, humming a little. Today, she heard quiet. She walked into her parents' room. Dad was there, but he was already dressed.
Why are you dressed?
Mia asked. Dad sat down on the edge of the bed and looked at her.
I have to go to work today,
He said. Mia stood very still.
But it's Saturday.
She said.
I know.
Dad said.
I wish I didn't have to go.
Saturday was their day. They stayed in pajamas. They played on the floor. Dad let Mia climb on his back and pretended to be a horse. Mia climbed under the bed and leaned against him.
So you won't be here?
She asked.
Not during the day,
Dad said.
but I'll come home after work.
Mia didn't answer. She picked at the blanket. Dad waited. Then he said,
When I'm at work, I still think about you.
Mia looked up.
You do?
She asked.
Yes,
Dad said.
I think about what you might be doing. I think about your voice. I think about how it feels when you hug me.
Mia put,
Her head against his arm.
even when you're not with me?
She asked.
Even then,
Dad said.
being together isn't the only way to love someone.
Mia thought about that. Dad kissed the top of her head.
I'll see you later.
He said. Mia watched him put on his shoe. She watched the door close. The house felt a little emptier after that. Mom made breakfast. Mia ate, but not much.
Dad always plays with me on Saturday.
Mia said.
I know.
Mom said. They cleaned up together. Mom wiped the table. Mia stacked napkins. Later, Mom said.
Do you want to bake something?
Mia nodded. They made cookies. Mia poured the flour. A little missed the bowl.
That's okay.
Mom said. Mia stirred. The dough was thick.
Dad likes cookies when they're warm.
Mia said.
Yes,
Mom said.
he always checks the pan.
The cookies went into the oven. The smell filled the kitchen. Mia sat on the floor and waited.
Is Dad thinking about me now?
She asked. Mom sat down beside her.
Yes,
She said.
I'm sure he is.
But he can't see me.
Mia said.
That's true.
Mom said.
But loving someone doesn't need eyes.
Mia looked at her.
It's kind of like when you know I'm in the house,
Mom said.
even if I'm not in the same room.
Mia thought about Mom being in the kitchen or down the hall.
So love is still there?
Mia asked.
Yes,
Mom said.
it's around you, and it doesn't stop just because someone steps away.
Mia leaned against Mom's side. That afternoon, Mia played quietly. Sometimes she forgot Dad was gone. And sometimes she remembered. When she remembered, she noticed it felt a little different than before. Not empty, just quieter. Like a room with the lights turned a little low. As the sky got darker, Mia asked.
Is it almost after work yet?
Yes,
Mom said. They waited. Then the door opened. Mia ran. Dad came in and bent down. He smelled like outside.
You're home.
Mia said.
I'm home.
Dad said. Mia hugged him tight.
I felt you today.
She said. Dad smiled and hugged her back.
I felt you too.
He said. That Saturday was different, but it was still theirs.